Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. NinjaTrader is a robust trading platform known for its advanced charting, market analysis tools, and automated trading capabilities. It provides traders with a comprehensive suite of features designed for analyzing markets, developing trading strategies, and executing trades across a wide range of instruments, including futures, forex, stocks, and options. A key strength of NinjaTrader lies in its highly customizable nature. Traders can tailor the platform to their specific needs and preferences through a variety of customizable windows, charts, and indicators. This level of personalization allows for a truly unique trading experience, catering to both novice and experienced traders. The platform also offers advanced charting capabilities with numerous drawing tools and indicators, empowering traders to conduct in-depth market analysis and identify potential trading opportunities. For those interested in automated trading, NinjaTrader provides strategy development and backtesting tools. Users can create and test their own automated trading strategies using NinjaScript, the platform's proprietary programming language. Beyond its core functionalities, NinjaTrader provides access to a vast ecosystem of add-ons and extensions through its dedicated user community and third-party developers. This expansive library of resources further enhances the platform's capabilities and allows traders to access specialized tools and indicators to refine their trading strategies. Additionally, NinjaTrader offers various brokerage integrations, allowing users to connect to their preferred brokerage account seamlessly. This streamlines the trading process and allows for efficient order execution and portfolio management. While NinjaTrader offers a powerful and feature-rich experience, it's important to note that its advanced functionalities might present a steeper learning curve for beginners. The platform's depth and breadth of tools can be overwhelming initially, requiring some time and effort to master. However, NinjaTrader offers comprehensive educational resources, including tutorials, webinars, and a supportive user community to assist traders in navigating the platform and maximizing its potential. For traders looking for a highly customizable and powerful platform with advanced charting, automated trading, and a wide range of integrations, NinjaTrader is certainly worth considering. Its extensive features and flexibility make it a valuable tool for those serious about taking their trading to the next level. Be sure to visit their website at ninjatrader.com/trading-platform to learn more.